Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious roast chicken for the family. So for this recipe you're going to need 2 to 3 teaspoons of Old Bay seasoning, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, the juice of half a lemon, and 50 to 75 grams of butter. So I've washed the chicken and cleaned it, and I've put some slits in the chicken with a knife as well. And now I'm going to get the marinade ready in a bowl. So these are all the spices and the olive oil and soy sauce in a bowl, and I'm just going to give this a good mix together before I apply it to the chicken. So this is the marinade ready. I added the butter, and I've also added a little bit more olive oil. It's up to you. If you want to add some more, you can. And now time to spread it over the chicken. So I've thoroughly marinated the 2 baby chickens with skin with the marinade. Really rub the marinade into the skin really well, and leave this to marinate for 2 to 3 hours or overnight. I know this doesn't look very appealing at the moment, but once it's cooked it will look and taste delicious. So the chicken has been marinating for about 2 to 3 hours, and I've just transferred it to an oven-proof dish, and I've preheated my oven to 220 degrees Celsius. And the chicken will need around an hour and a half to cook, and you'll need to turn it once after around 45 minutes. So I've just taken the chicken out of the oven after around an hour, and I've just turned the chickens around. I'm just going to marinate them some more with the juices and put it back in for another half an hour to 45 minutes. So the chicken is cooked. I've taken it out of the oven after about an hour and a half, and it's ready to serve. You can serve this chicken with chips, with rice, vegetables. Have a full-on roast if you like. I'm going to serve it with this pack of Uncle Ben's peri peri rice and some vegetables. I hope you enjoy the recipe. Let me know how you get on. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoy trying this roast chicken recipe, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.